Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Ldac codec on your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One. You have to start by open the application, and you should know that iOS devices did not support Ldac, so if you have iOS you can't enable it, just on Android devices. Now go to Settings at the right top and to Sound Mode. And right here we have Ldac, so click on it, turn on. Now it's switching, switch modes, so we should wait. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!